Hey, what's going on, everyone? John here with Knight and Shining Armor Paint Correction, Ceramic Coatings, and Detailing. Today we have my wife's 2019 Jeep Cherokee Overland in for maintenance. This was one of the first vehicles we ever installed the DIY 8-year ceramic coating on. We are not quite a year later. It was installed in either June or July of 2023. I have to double check that stat, but I'm pretty sure it was June, if not July. But let me bust out the pressure washer here. But this coating has failed. It is not clogged. We washed it using a pH neutral car shampoo. And we thought maybe it was clogged from all the traffic film and all the crap from winter. And we do have a few remnants of the coating left in spots, of course. But barely. It sheets on that door. It still beads a little bit on the roof pillar here. Might be a little bit of it left there, excuse me. But that's failed. Like, that has flat out failed there on the rear. And we used Fireball pH3, which is a acid-based car shampoo meant to declog coatings or unclog. We used it on it after we washed it. I mean, that's dead. We're only a year into the 8 years. There's a little bit left on the roof rail over here. That door's dead, failed, kaput. It's still on the fender there, but it's dead everywhere else. Unbelievable. And I know I've maintained it 3 or 4 times during that span. It isn't like we did it and never got touched again. I don't know if we got a bad batch of coating or what exactly the scenario is, but it definitely went on strange. It literally disappeared as quick as we could put it on. And see, like, everything's just sticking to it right there. You don't have a high water angle on the beads. I would have to say that this coating has failed. Like I said before, we are a company that will not install products on another vehicle or a customer's vehicle that we wouldn't install on our own. And I can promise you, as the business owner, I think we've only installed this on 2 vehicles. Thank God. This being one of them. So I'm not trying to bash any company anywhere. However, if it fails after a year, and I've installed probably 300 coatings. Over the years. Maybe more, actually. I don't know what the exact number is. What you do with this information is up to you. I will be reaching out to DIY to ask them what the dealio is, and I will report back as soon as I find something out. Once again, my name is John. We are Knight in Shining Armor Paint Correction, Ceramic Coatings, and Detailing. Thank you for supporting the channel. I appreciate every single one of you. We will catch everybody in the next video.